Well, hello. Today we have this Jewel press 4 mm. Let me get it sharp. It's in a real nice condition. Some signs of marks, but overall in very sharp and good condition. And then you can adjust this right over here and tie it up with this screw. With the inserts for it, and then you can insert this right over here, and then you can insert, let me show you, this right over here. And then you can use it and press it down. And then we have also some flat cutters. It's in real nice condition with all the sizing written over here. And then you can remove this, insert one of these flat cutters, and then you can insert it like this and use it as a flat cutter. So I hope that somebody can use this jewel press, and thank you for watching.